So thank you for taking the time to watch this another LoadProof video case study. This is about another power tools OEM. So this is a Japan-based OEM. Those guys made power tools, all kinds of power tools, gardening power tools, metalworking power tools, woodworking power tools, pneumatic tools, right? The nailers and the screwdrivers and stuff like that. That boom, boom, boom. They shoot nails, during construction, right? So they had all kinds of very, very interesting power tools, and that's what they were shipping. And they're right here in Brazelton, Georgia, and it was just in Atlanta. And John was the warehouse manager, and he was just getting really, really frustrated with all the claims these guys were getting. And there was claims department that was involved, and they were blaming the warehouse. Hey, the warehouse is doing a bad job, blah blah blah. And John was very, very frustrated, and he found us, and he came to us, and we did a demo for him, and then right away we were able to show the value. So the challenge was they did both. They were shipping to the retailers, the big home goods retailers that were selling all kinds of stuff, and also they were selling through shipping the product to construction sites as well, right? Because these are building tools, right? So that's very important. It's part of someone's building project, capital project. The challenge was that, right, these guys were doing a great job, and they just would blame the warehouse. And John was really frustrated, and he didn't know how to solve the problem, and he was doing research, and eventually he found us, and he did a demo, and then he was like, man, this is exactly what we need. And they set it up, the warehouse was uploading photos, and the claims guys were looking at it, right? The sales guys, customer support, everybody were looking at it. And as soon as they did that, and after a couple of weeks, John came back and said, hey, we just saved $50,000 in the claim, right? So that was huge, that was big. And especially, and also the other thing is, right, because his bosses are in Japan, and that's the corporate headquarters of the company, it was easy for John to show, hey, not only to the customer, not only to the retailers that they were selling through, right? They were also able to show to their bosses in Japan, hey guys, look at this, right? We are doing a great job. The warehouse is doing a great job. And the claims lady, right, would come, and she'll have to, bother the warehouse to get the proof saying that, hey, we shipped the product in perfect condition. Now everything became so much easier because they would not only the warehouse uploaded photos into LoadProof, they were also able to set up claims people, sales people, customer support people, and whoever, right, else, even users from Japan that if they want to audit the photos or shipping and things like that. So that just made life so much easier. And John is a great friend now, and yes, if reach out to us, if you are selling these power tools yourself, and we have multiple power tools OEM that use LoadProof extensively, right? Not just one facility, so many facilities all over the US, and not just for the product, but also for parts, right? So I know we've had a ton of value, and reach out to us. We'll be happy to share even the I think their savings is like minimum, and it's not like a huge facility. It's in Brazelton, Georgia, but highly specialized tools, expensive tools, right? So even one gets lost, that's like a few $100s, or it might be $1,000 too. If the whole compressor thing also gets lost. So that's a lot of dollars saved, and also the reputation is saved. The reputation of the brand name, right? That is even more important. That's why these guys have spent so much money in building that brand, developing that brand. And there is a lot of R&D dollars that were spent to come up with specific technology and stuff like that, right? And that's why it's so important to have a solid proof saying that, hey, your brand is not tarnished. I'll tell you even crazier stories where they had a great product, but the brand was tarnished because of all these issues that they were having, and we jumped in and helped, right? So yeah, we'll be happy to share with you the video testimonial, the detailed case study, detailed savings, right? How they came up with those savings, at least at a minimum, $500,000 per year, at a minimum, if not more, because the retailer chargebacks was brutal, right? Brutal. And then obviously freight claims, rejected loads, damaged products, and then also faster processing of freight claims. So we'll be happy to share that case study with you. Reach out to us, and we'll also share the video testimonial, and things like that. So if you are shipping some product like this, you're having headaches, you're having nightmares, you're not able to sleep peacefully because of all these problems, reach out to us. We'll help you. We can make your life so much better and get you all the savings, and you can sleep peacefully. We guarantee you that. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Look forward to hearing from you.